So today's our topic is transverse and longitudinal waves. Is for example transverse wave. So here we are having one wall which is attached with one string, right? So this is one string. Now whenever we oscillate this string upward and downward direction, so we are giving force upward and downward direction. So on that string we are having this type of waves, right? So this type of waves means that wave is propagating in this direction, right hand side direction, but its oscillations are up and down, means propagation is perpendicular oscillations. So propagation direction is perpendicular to the oscillations direction. So that is transverse wave. How transverse wave form? So when we are giving upward force, means tension on that string is in upward direction, means in this direction. Again when we are moving that string in downward direction, tension it is in this direction. So that tension is just gives this further moves to its neighboring direction, means neighboring molecules of that string. So that is transverse waves, and it is always perpendicular to the propagation of the waves. So here these waves are forming like a crest. So upward means upward oscillation is called crest, and downward oscillation is called trough. So by crest and trough, these waves moving in frontward direction is called transverse waves, right? Now we have to go to now longitudinal wave. If we are having some gas inside this chamber, and here one piston that we have. Now inside this there are air molecules, there are gas molecules. When we give force in right hand side direction, because of that some of air molecules are coming together because of that force, and when we are pulling that piston in outside direction, left hand side direction, some of the air molecules are moving away from each other. So if we are continuously giving force in right hand side and left hand side direction, what happens? Here waves are forming like air molecules. Some portion we have air molecules which are so much together, and some portion they are far away with each other. Some portion they are so much near to each other, and some portion they are far away from each other. So this type of waves we can observe that these waves means oscillations is in the direction of propagation, means oscillations in this direction like right hand and left hand side, and propagation is in this right hand side direction. So here it is parallel oscillation we can call. Parallel, or we can call opposite, parallel and opposite oscillation, and that's how these longitudinal waves are propagating. So that is called longitudinal wave, and this is called transverse wave. So longitudinal wave, how longitudinal wave are moving further, like here crest and trough. So here we are having condensation and rarefaction. So by condensation and rarefaction, these longitudinal waves are moving in frontward direction. So here this is the example of string, and here we have taken example of gas chamber, right? So that's our topic, guys. Thank you very much.